have a new 3D puzzle. It's a fighter plane or whatever it is. Let's look what is there inside. Wheels. Wheel. Колесо. Wheel. Well, I'm quite surprised. Only one sheet with parts of the plane, and that's all. Is that really all? And what about the manual? No manual inside, and no instructions on the package. Great. I love to improvise. Let's take out all the parts first. And I guess I need my screwdriver. Oh, that thing doesn't look fine to me. This is the main part of the plane, actually. It's called fuselage. 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 It's the main section or body of the plane. And, by the way, fuselage is a French word meaning spindle-shaped. So that's why we don't pronounce this word according to the English reading rules. These two are probably wings. Wings. Крила. Wings. I can't tell you the names of other parts right now because I've got no idea where they must be in this construction. So, as far as I understood, I need to connect the parts of fuselage together somehow. To begin with, let's try this one. And then this... Nah. Maybe here. Or there. That's a big deal. At last, the fuselage is completed. Here must be the place for a pilot, and the aircraft's radar is inside the radome or nose of the plane. Radome. Носовий оптічник. Radome. Let's attach the wings to the plane. Done. And this thing is called a cockpit. Cockpit. Кабіна. Cockpit. Where did it come from? So funny. Like cocks in a pit. Poor pilots. Really. Well, I found a mistake in my construction, so I need to fix it quickly. No, it's okay. The cockpit has its place. Let's go to empennage, or the tail of our plane. Empennage. Оперення. Empennage. Usually, empennage consists of vertical and horizontal stabilizers. These puzzles have vertical one, but horizontal looks like they are parts of the wings, I guess. This is a nose gear or landing gear, the front wheels of the aircraft. Landing gear. Chassis. Landing gear. So let's attach our wheels. They must be connected with some kind of axle, and there is one for bigger tires. And the second is absent. Thank you very much for your concern. I decided to make an axle out of a toothpick using a knife. In the end, the landing gear is ready, and so is the whole plane. Fighter plane. Винищувач. Fighter plane.